Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. First we are using the color of black and now we draw the alphabet of A. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The alphabet of A. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Now we draw D. And the next one is E. E for egg. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabet of G. The next one is H. H for hand. Kids, now we draw I. And the next one is J. Now we draw K. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. M for mango. The next one is N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for orange. Now we draw P. The next one is Q. Q for queen. R. S. Now we draw T. The next one is U. Now we draw V. The next one is W. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of X, Y, and the last one is Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.